Okay, here we go. There's the pan. There's the gold. Pretty sure it shrank again. My life is getting not bad gold and then go and weigh it and it weighs nothing. Biggest piece all that. What's that there? Is it gold? I think it is, yep. Biggest piece all day, second biggest. Just trying to... Just putting the big... Oh, if I'm pointing. Yeah, pretty much nothing fancy, but this bloke here, yeah, it's fancy. There, and there's the next best. You know, I was happy as a pig in shit getting them, but not so much nowadays. Now this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this largest piece. Now we'll see if it's a picker. Wait, no, 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 no. Fingernail. Yep. Turn it over. No. Yep. That's not a picker. Anyway, what I'll do, I'm removing that and put it in later. It can stay there. There's how does it look now that it's all dried out. I still reckon with that I've got 0.18. But anyway, let's put this in here. In my upside down triangle. In you go. Geez, some of those are substantial. They're not like all aluminium foil and that like at Kangaroo Creek. This one's much better. Okay, that's all of that. Now let's have a look. Put the light on. Let's see how we went. I reckon with that I might have got 1/4 gram. But then again, I've been wrong before. Pretty much most times. Okay, there's some went in. Very little. Now it is. Hardly nothing. 0.07. And I got well over 0.07 here, so well, there's 0.16 already. Shit, and I've still got heaps in there. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, I don't know if you can see that in there, but it's 0.20. Shh, stop breathing. 0.213. That's about it. And a whole bunch fucking went flying. People keep telling me stop knocking it flying. Bloody hell. Anyway. No, that doesn't go there. That goes here. 0.213. 0.212. Okay, now, and then put this. I just put this on top and then I'll do the mathematics and work out how much this bloke is. I'm going to have a go. Anybody wants to play? It's pretty hard on the camera. Yeah, it's bloody almost impossible, I know. But I reckon I'll go 0.04. So if it's 0.04, I should get 0.254. Anyway, 0.213, 212. Okay. Oh my God, what the? That's crazy stupid. That's nearly a 0.1. That can't be right. Wait. Oh, I've got to get it all out now. Oh, wait on. My tweezers. I'm going to re-zero that. This is nearly 0.1. 0.08 anyway. Come on. Oh my God. It's so... I can't get it. Oh, come on. I'm getting annoyed now. Damn it. Oh, had it and I lost it. hate to be a heart surgeon. .084. My God. So anyway, yeah, that was .084. Twice as big as what I thought it might have been. So it's almost 0.3. We'll just pour the whole lot in this time. Get that on re-zero. And chuck this in. In you go. So just under 0.3. That's a wonderful day. People, it's wonderful. I might think about giving away some gold next outing. If I go back to Slady Creek, I'll if I can get close to that. That's worth winning. I'll make some sort of a giveaway bloody thing. People, I hope you enjoyed the seeing gold. But for now, have a novel here. I am Mono, over and out. I didn't push the button. Idiot.